My name is Meili Grace Rank. Today, I'm gonna make you a scooter drink. It's right here. It is the peanut butter power drink. It tastes good, but ours will taste better. Let's get started. First, you need a blender. Perfect! Add 1 cup of ice. And don't spill. Now, perfect! Next, add 2 tablespoons of peanut butter powder. I need help too. Okay, now it's time. Then you have to add 2 tablespoons of regular peanut butter. Next you need to add a splash of vanilla syrup. Next, 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1. Now, the best ingredient, ice cream. Oh, that hurts. Get this party started! Add 3 scoops. 1. Please. One more thing. 3/4 cup of milk. Oh, it's dripping. Add it in the blender. And be careful, don't spill it. Now you can blend it up. Oh, how do you do this? I need help. Go ahead and stop it. Hey guys, welcome back. Hand hurts. Put the lid on. Let's try it. It's good. It's delicious. Now drink it all. Thank you for watching and subscribe and comment below. I'll see you next time. Bye.